Did you know that your iPhone is a powerful tool that can help you learn English faster and more effectively? That's right. Today, we'll explore 20 incredible ways your iPhone can become your ultimate language learning companion. Get ready to be amazed. This is Deep Language, where we help language learners to improve their skills, especially in speaking and writing, while using technology and artificial intelligence. We have dedicated playlists for each skill, and we focus on ways you can integrate AI into your language learning to make it more efficient. So let's start our job with 20 ways your iPhone can turn your learning process into an exciting adventure. Number 1. LookUp option. The LookUp option is a game changer for vocabulary acquisition. No matter where you encounter new words in books, web pages, or even photos and videos, you can quickly check their meaning without interrupting your reading flow. Simply highlight the word, tap LookUp, and choose from a variety of dictionaries to get instant definitions. You can even take screenshots, favorite photos, or add them to an album for later review, creating your own personalized flashcard deck. Simply head into Settings, search for Dictionary, and choose the ones that are helpful to you the most. Then look up any new word anywhere. Number 2. Dictionary app. The built-in Dictionary app is your go-to resource for looking up new words individually. Not only there is a dedicated app, but also it is easily accessible from your home screen with a quick swipe down, making it convenient to find definitions whenever you need them. The app offers a comprehensive collection of words and phrases, ensuring you'll always find what you're looking for. Plus, it is almost always one swipe away from you, so you can check the meaning of any new words as fast as it gets. Number 3. Translation app. When you need to translate entire text, the translation app has got you covered. It works seamlessly with several languages, providing accurate translation that rivals popular services like Google Translate. Whether you're reading a foreign language article or communicating with someone who speaks a different language, the translation app breaks through language barriers effortlessly. Imagine only writing what you want to say in your language and asking it to translate it so you can show it to some locals abroad in order to find your way around. Number 4. LiveText. LiveText is a revolutionary feature that allows you to copy text from almost any source. Photos, video screens, you name it. Imagine being able to copy reading materials or examples directly from an English teaching YouTube video and paste them into your notes. It's like having a superhuman note-taking ability. LiveText makes it easier than ever to capture and save important information for later review. There is absolutely nothing far from your reach at this point in terms of written words and phrases. Number 5. LiveCaptions. Captions are essential for language learners, and while many apps such as YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram have built-in subtitle generators, LiveCaptions makes them accessible across all apps. Whether you're watching a video, listening to a podcast, or even having a live FaceTime call with your friends, LiveCaptions will automatically display captions for you. Never miss a word or struggle to understand spoken English again. Number 6. Siri conversations. Engaging in conversations with Siri is an excellent way to practice your speaking skills, especially now that Siri is powered by advanced AI. You can engage in small talks, make requests, set alarms. Hey Siri, can you set an alarm clock for 21 p.m.?
Done.
Ask for time or weather. Hey Siri, can you tell me how's the weather today in Tehran?
Should be sunny in Tehran, Iran today.
Find information. Hey Siri, can you tell me what time is it now?
It's 15:28.
Get news updates. Hey Siri, can you tell me the latest news?
Here's what I found.
Or even ask for jokes. Hey Siri, can you tell me a joke?
Where should you work if you want to tell people their fortunes? The bank.
It is a fun and interactive way to improve your English from the very beginning as you learn to express yourself and understand spoken responses. Remember, getting engaged in small chunks of conversation, one piece at a time, is the perfect way to learn speaking fluently. And Siri can offer you the perfect opportunity to do so. Number 7. Voice-to-Text. The voice-to-text feature is a powerful tool for checking your pronunciation. Simply read aloud and the app will transcribe your words in real time. Many governments think that economic progress is their most important goal. Some people, however, think that other types of progress are equally important for their country. This allows you to see exactly how you're pronouncing words and phrases, helping you identify areas for improvement. It's like having a personal pronunciation coach at your fingertips. Reading out loud is a simple but effective technique that can boost your speaking in the long run. When you see the text is being written incorrectly, you should notice a pronunciation mistake and you have the chance to correct it immediately. Number 8. Dictation. Dictation takes your speaking practice to the next level. Instead of typing, use the dictation button on your keyboard to speak your message, notes, or documents. This encourages you to speak more fluently and accurately as you learn to express your thoughts clearly and concisely. Regular use of dictation will help you become a more confident and proficient English speaker. Number 9. LiveSpeech. LiveSpeech is an invaluable resource for mastering pronunciation and intonation. It demonstrates the correct way to pronounce words and phrases using proper stress and rhythm. You can experiment with various speakers, accents, and languages to diversify your learning experience and expose yourself to different varieties of English. Simply type in words, phrases, and even sentences and have your iPhone reading it to you out loud. Number 10. SpokenContent. The SpokenContent feature is a game changer for language learners who want to improve their listening and reading skills simultaneously. It allows you to transform any text into an audiobook so you can read and listen at the same time.
Let me recall a case. A young physician consulted me because of his fear of perspiring.
This immersive experience helps you associate the written words with their spoken counterparts, enhancing your overall comprehension. You can customize the voice, speed, and language, and also the accent to suit your preferences and learning goals. 11. Podcast app. Podcasts are an excellent way to immerse yourself in authentic English content. The native podcast app offers a vast library of shows and episodes covering a wide range of topics. Whether you're interested in English learning podcasts or shows about your favorite hobbies, you'll find plenty of engaging materials to listen to. Regularly turning into podcasts will help you improve your listening skills, expand your vocabulary, and familiarize yourself with different accents and speaking styles. Number 12. Music app. The Music app is a hidden gem for language learners who want to make their learning experience more enjoyable. Not only you can listen to your favorite English songs, but also you get access to the lyrics. As mentioned in this video, you can even turn any track into a karaoke session and sing along, improving your pronunciation, intonation, and overall fluency. Singing is a fun and effective way to practice your English skills while exploring the language's rhythm and melody. Number 13. English learning apps. The App Store is a treasure of English learning resources. From AI-powered platforms like ChatGPT, Claude, Pi, and Perplexity to countless other apps, you have an infinite galaxy of learning opportunities at your fingertips. These apps offer personalized lessons, interactive exercises, and immersive content to help you improve your English skills at your own pace. Exploring the App Store and discover the tools that best suit your learning style and goals. Number 14. SpellCheck, auto-punctuation, and auto-capitalization. Writing is an essential aspect of language learning, and your iPhone makes it easier than ever to produce neat, polished text. With features like SpellCheck, auto-punctuation, and auto-capitalization, you can ensure that your writing is error-free and properly formatted. For even more advanced writing assistance, you can integrate apps like Grammarly, which provides detailed feedback on grammar, syntax, and style. 15. PredictiveText. PredictiveText is like having a personal writing assistant by your side. As you type, it suggests words, prepositions, and common collocations based on context and frequency. This feature not only saves you time, but also helps you discover new vocabulary and learn how to use them and how words work together. By accepting and using these suggested words and phrases, you'll naturally expand your lexicon and improve your writing fluency. Number 16. Voice Memos. The VoiceMemo app is a powerful tool for self-assessment and progress tracking. Use it to record yourself speaking, whether you're practicing a presentation, having a mock conversation, or simply reading out loud. Later, listen back to the recordings to identify areas for improvement such as pronunciation, intonation, or fluency. Create a series of recordings over time to track your progress and celebrate your achievement as you become a more confident and proficient English speaker. Number 17. In-context learning. Your iPhone is filled with opportunities to learn new words in context. From the weather app's unique terminology, wind gusts, drizzle, precipitation, to the settings menu's technical terms, handoff, screen time, haptics. You'll encounter a wealth of vocabulary in everyday use. Pay attention to these words and phrases, look up their meaning, and try to use them in your own conversation and writings. Learning words in context helps you understand their usage and retain them more effectively. Number 18. News app. The native news app is an excellent source of formal vocabulary and current events. News articles are written in a sophisticated journalistic style, exposing you to advanced grammars, structures, and topic-specific terminology. Challenge yourself to read one article per day, highlight new words and phrases, and look up their meaning. Regular exposure to news content will help you develop a more advanced and nuanced understanding of English language. Safari's Reading Mode. Safari's Reading Mode is a great tool for focused, distraction-free reading. It removes ads, images, and other clutter from web pages, allowing you to concentrate on the text itself. You can save articles to your reading list for later or take screenshots to create PDFs from the entire web page for offline reading. This feature is particularly useful when you want to dive deep into a topic or study a specific piece of writing without any visual distraction. Number 20. Shortcuts. Shortcuts are a game changer for language learners, offering a quick and easy access to useful information and resources. For example, you can set up a word of the day shortcut that delivers a new vocabulary word to your notification each morning. A check a spelling shortcut can help you quickly identify and correct the spelling errors in your writing, and a translate text shortcut allows you to translate words, phrases, or entire paragraph with just a few taps. Wow, who knew your iPhone could be such a powerful language learning tool? With these 20 amazing features, you'll be well on your way to English mastery in no time. Your iPhone is more than just a communication device. It is a comprehensive language learning platform that adapts to your needs and goals. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your iPhone and start exploring these incredible language learning opportunities today. Incorporate these tools and techniques into your daily routine and you'll be amazed at how quickly your English skills improve. And don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel for more game-changing language learning tips and tricks. We're here to support you on your language learning journey every step of the way. Since both you and I enjoy using technology to our advantage when learning English, I suggest you watch our videos on every way that ChatGPT can give you a boost in language learning. So we get to the end of this video. Happy learning and we'll see you in the next one.